Hello again, or hello for the first time, and good morning from Gatlinburg, Tennessee, up here at a parking lot for right now. This isn't the main part of the video. As you clicked on the video, you probably saw, oh, they're going to do that thing, whatever it is. But I'm here kind of for a filming location right now. One of my favorite vloggers is still Adam the Woo, and love Yankee in the South. Adam the Woo started one of his videos right here quite a few years ago. It's 2026 right now, but this is a public parking lot, and this up here is an old chairlift station. Take you up the Adam came here, make sure I don't get hit in the road, and he filmed this beginning of one of his videos. You can see there's the platform still here. This is no trespassing, keep out. I'm just on the main road here. Still here. He started the video right over there walking this way one morning, right before he met up with Will and Dawn, Yankee in the South, and they went to the Donut Friar, which is what we're also going to do today. Look at that. Still here. Kind of one of my favorite videos, watching Dawn crack up Adam. And I think they went up on Anakista. I think they went there that day. But yeah, this is a great parking area. You can see the Gatlinburg, the tower over there, where you can go up and catch a bird's eye view of the city, the town. Yeah, it's one of my favorite videos. It started right here. I can't think of what Daily Woo it was. That's where he started his video, walking back there, and he was like thinking he was kind of alone and stuff, and then there's someone walking their dog behind him. Great video. I'll leave the link again down below in the description box. We're gonna go have some pancakes, right? And then we're gonna go to maybe Donut Friar and get a donut. Yay. And probably some other stuff for souvenirs sake. But yeah, a nice gentleman down in the booth down there said, you park here, find a spot, and then pay at the kiosk. And that's what we did. And now we're free to roam Gatlinburg. Oh, till midnight?
Yeah.
Oh, how much was the parking?
$20.
Oh, that's not bad.
Not for this area.
For all day, yeah. And this is if we came from Pigeon Forge, because we're staying at Camp Margaritaville, and we came right down this road. We came right down the road over there, turned, and came into the parking lot. Pretty easy to get here. Getting a few more photos, but yeah, look at that old tunnel through there. It's like a metal tube. Wow. I got the chairs still on this chairlift, still decommissioned, obviously. Look at the rust on that sucker, man. Oh boy.
That's very
Wow. I kind of like walking places like this because it's like, gosh, I'm glad I'm not driving through a place like this.
Well, there's so much to see. It almost makes sense to walk it anyways, because then you won't miss anything. You know what I mean?
Here's the bus that goes back and forth between Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. It's really convenient.
Oh yeah, because there's the aquarium. We're like really close.
Oh, there's Anakista, so I don't know what the other one is. There's so many ways to get up these mountains. I don't know what the other side of this is, but that's the aquarium. going down the way to Pancake Pantry. Is that what it was?
Yeah, Pancake Pantry. That's where they're meeting us.
There's Anarchista. So they have a whole bunch of stuff up there. Looks like it would take a good share of your day. And we don't have time for that this trip, unfortunately. Sometime we'll have to come down here. And,
Yeah, I heard
yeah.
this is really nice.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have so much stuff up there. There's a lot of new things, a lot of construction right now. But next time we come down here, let us know what you think we should be doing when we're here. That would be fun. I don't think I would want to own one. Maybe I would want to own one, but I don't have any place to drive it. That's the thing. But yeah, you can rent these things. You see a bunch of this kind of thing out on the road too. Oh, what's that statue over here before we go eat breakfast? Historical marker over here, dedicated November 3rd, 2012. 100 years of Pi Beta Phi philanthropy and service to the greater good society through education. Huh. Oh, it's this. So we have a statue over here. And here's a statue commemorating. Really pretty bronze statue here. Just giving a book symbolizing education. There's the Mountain Mall. We've been in there. That was a good time. And oh, airbrush t-shirts over here. Coffee shack. It's so touristy, which is cool and not cool at the same time.
It's cool for me.
Yeah, I love it. Well, there's our stop, the Pancake Pantry.
Yeah, we made it.
Out here at the village. See, oh, there's the menu. Breakfast served all day. And lunch 11:30 a.m. to closing. Strawberry Banana Delight. There's the menu. Again, all places that we visit. Try to leave the link down in the description box. They have omelets and everything here. We just ate breakfast, so maybe we won't get something crazy here. It's nice. Nice restaurant. Love the decor. Very cool style in here. Cheesy grits.
Cheesy grits and so much butter. This is probably going to be delicious. And my entire calorie content for the day, but that's fine.
Thank you. I got a plate of bacon here. Oh, those are silver dollar pancakes? Is that what that is? Oh, fancy. Thanks. And then a waffle over there. Ooh. And across the street here for a second, there's Jason Aldean's Diner. We're gonna go into the village really quick and check out a few things. It's so nice in here. Love this decor. But a lot of people take their pictures in front of this fountain over here. And a lot of shops and things. There's the donut fryer. I think we'll go in, grab a donut. Okay. Head in. Look at these mugs here. Love that one. It's pretty. And then this unique shaped one. You like that, right? This is the camping type.
I do. I like that one.
You get a hat? Look at that.
I do actually really
That's
like
really
it.
cool.
Oh, look at the purple one for my mom.
You only come around when you want
The
money.
silly pint.
Oh, tell him what.
That's pretty.
Look at these. Here's say glazed croissant. Raspberry Danish. Some cookies.
Glazed blueberry cruller too.
Wow. It's cash only. They do have a ATM here. So donut fryer. It's right there with a pile of donuts.
I would like to get one of the
Very great.
special and that's
$6.11.
Rainbow. Oh,
I'm gonna even
coconut. Look at
cover
all
you
the
on 11
coconut.
this time.
I
got it?
have maybe.
You can light it up there. It ain't no big deal.
I do.
Friar special.
You can leave us a review and let them know that I covered you on it.
Raspberry. Blueberry and cream
Under
over
that
there.
lady's review, leave the review.
Close the door here. There we go.
Yay!
Success. Somewhat touristy. I would hang out here if I lived down here though. This is like really pleasant,
Like
nice.
You can take your lunch break on these cute little benches.
Yeah, relaxing, you know. Yeah, it's just kind of very well themed. Reminds me of being at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg almost. You want to show off your donuts
Yeah.
that you
Okay.
and I got. I guess we're going to split them.
So here's the blueberry cruller. Yum, yum, yum. Blueberry cruller looks
that's-
delicious.
We just ate 2 breakfasts.
We
so
did.
we're not
And here's the apple fritter because I really love apple fritters.
gonna-
But I love blueberry crullers too. There were chocolate crullers. It was a toss-up. It was a tough decision.
Yeah.
But they smell so good.
Yeah, it smells great in there.
Oh, I smell blueberry.
There's a whole bunch of stuff over here. So pretty, so well themed. Yeah, but the Pancake Pantry, that's what we just were at, and the food was really good. I just had the bacon, but yeah, pretty decent. I would recommend this is a good spot, especially for like breakfast. But yeah, good servings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That pancake that I had a silver dollar pancake from one of our family members' plates, and it was delicious. And then I had cheesy grits, and they were also delicious. It's hard to shine.
Just popped in here really quick just to, just to burn some more time. Check out, see if we need any gifts here. What does that have? A holly? Dolly Christmas. Oh, I like the one next to it. Dolly with her pink guitar. Very cool. I like that. Oh, look at these pajama pants. It says RV Life. Has Snoopy on it. Oh, that's pretty light. Cool. Little kids section back here. Oh, look at all the stuff you can hang. Sun catchers. Back scratcher. Travel back scratcher.
It's just what you need.
Cute ornaments here. Look at this. This little chipmunk. Little chippermunk and raccoon. I'll get a personalized pocket knife here for just about every name. Yeah, that was a fun time. We had breakfast. Got to talk with family before they went home. Got to explore some spots and get some donuts at the donut fryer. I think we're gonna go back to the car. Yeah, so currently this is closed. Their lift up to the top. So I think you have to take a bus or something. And they're opening another exhibit activity up there. So it's kind of closed right now. Anyway, so we don't have time, so we're not gonna say kind of 2 in 1. We're not gonna go, and we should go next time to get a better value, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us out here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Again, we just went for pancake breakfast earlier, and you'll see that in another video, but meeting our family out here and getting to say goodbye before they left town, because we all met up here on vacation. Really nice place to do it because there's plenty to do and see, and then like the donut fryer was awesome. The bacon that I ate was really good, and seeing 2 of the places, donut fryer and this old chairlift here that Adam the Woo had been to. Really kind of cool to see him in real life. Real places. We also go to places. We're from Syracuse, New York. If you haven't seen our videos before, to all of our subscribers, thank you so much. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up down below, and that's all you really have to do. If you want to see some more, check out our channel, and we'll have more from the Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Dollywood area, little sirens behind me. And we'll see you in the next video. Appreciate it, guys. Take care. Love ya. Bye.